Horticulture and Soil Conservation Commissioner M. Hare Krishna stresses on the need for a budget alert to boost organic packaging in the state. And Assam State Cabinet approves Assamese and state language, urges the centre to make Assamese as state language of Assam. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandaram presenting you the afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Commissioner M. Hare Krishna stressed the need to create a budget plan to initiate organic packaging in the state. He was speaking at a two-day workshop on the packaging of organic products of Manipur, organized by Manipur Organic Missions Agency MOMA at the training hold of Agriculture Department today. Hare Krishna asserted that good packaging helps in making sales better and enhance customers' experience. He said that requirement of organic food produced packaging is expensive as it is imported from abroad. He maintained that the workshop will facilitate the farmers of the state in making organic packaging. He urged the people to know the benefits of organic products to enhance and improve their marketing strategy. He appealed to the people of their cooperation in establishing a full-fledged organic packaging industry in the state.
Packaging se sina element amon customer se attract tawnaba model mayam amale akhoi gi marketing gi model da sida yam interesting oiba model am khatang ai share tawjage AIDA model laina AIDA awareness information desire action line haiba hojikti sigi akoina tawdoriba workshop sidi organic da focus tawi organic ki kanaba organic ki akoida magi benefits mayam maruine health benefit sigi mayam si karigumba prajada awareness laitrigei di masigi pochigi demand laoi masigi premium price phangwena ado organic se phai organic se that is the thing that is in haina haibagi mayam se la kan da duki information se kari available oi kari oi de kari aduda akhoi organic oidaba conventional da mangjaba kaino haibagi mayam ji information se tawrakanda mingon da pambagi pot ama pira kanda adi matungda pot se yonba shit kadoi.
Yelhomi Thopai held one-day public discourse on the present political situation of Manipur. What shall be done at Kumalampak Youth's Hostel today? Speaking at the event, Secretary of Research and Documentation Cell Yelhomi Thopai, Dr. T.H. Ruhichand, espoused the need to maintain and enhance cordial relations between the various native communities of the state. He asserted that Yelhomi Thopai strictly consider the present norms of the government and society. He said that the event aims to aware the people to take necessary measures regarding the inline permit system, Citizenship Amendment Act, Scheduled Tribe and Manipur People's Protection Bill issues prevailing in the state. Retired IAS R.K. Nimai, retired IAS W. Chandrakumar, veteran politician O. Joy and retired IPS P. Dhanakumar were the resource persons of the event.
Hariba akhoi lengak lon gi khunai lon gi mayon ahong bakya lakadaba phibam tangkak asida akhoi kadom da khong thanggadage akhoi kari khusil thorang tawraganda akhoi hanadegi kukal panganna akhoi apunma thongna amga loinana panminarakhiba yelo mi phurup mayam se karamna amtang punchanba yagadage akhoi amtang chakhol lamjin sida punna yawminaba yagadage haibagi wafamduda Yelhomi Thopaina sigumba nomagi oiba khananena ba si pangthoksaban.
Youth Development Association to Waitong Maningleikai held one-day free medical camp at Waitong Maningleikai Community Hall in Imphal East today. A medical team led by Health Surgeon of Raj Medicity, Dr. K.S.H. Kala, checked up many people of the area and provided medications at the camp. People were also given benefits of eye testing, ECG, blood, urine and sugar test to ascertain of any heart, diabetes and hypertension.
ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯑꯣ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯪ ꯗꯤꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯋꯥꯏꯇꯣꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯦꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯜꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯒꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯕꯦꯇꯤꯁ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ 5 ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯗꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯕꯦꯇꯤꯁ ꯅꯥꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯃꯤ 100 ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯤ 10ꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯗꯥꯏꯕꯦꯇꯤꯁ ꯅꯥꯏ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯅꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Fashion event titled Kids Fashion Show 2019 was held at Hotel Infold today. Altogether, 54 participants comprising of children between 3 to 14 years of age took part in the event organized by Sutter Speed Photography. Renowned Manipuri film actor Balaji Jamd, managing director of Sutter Speed Photography, Warepam Sanjay and his spouse Poonam were the jury members of the event. Winners including Best Confidence titled and Best Outfit titled will also be selected at the event. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony for the first batch of BSc students of CJ Academy of Nursing, SA and Langol. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News. Lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony for the first batch of the students of Bachelor of Nursing courses, CJ Academy of Nursing, SA and Langol today. Principal of the Academy, C.H. Bavita, led the first batch of students in taking their oaths as nurses in the event. Speaking in the event at CJ Hospital Auditorium in Langold, Chairman cum Managing Director of CJ Hospital and Research Institute Langold, Dr. K.H. Palind, said that efforts are underway to open a post-basic courses of BSc Nursing under CJ Academy of Nursing. He asserted that the benefits of the courses will be given first to the students of SA and speaking on the occasion, Dr. Palind said that nurses are the highlight groups of the people who have sacrificed themselves in providing assistance to the public. He recalled that Florence Nightingale, who is a trailblazing figure in nursing, took of the nursing profession to a higher level, which was then perceived as a very low profession 200 years ago. He urged the nursing students to remember the exemplary roles and contributions of Florence Nightingale. Dr. Palind asserted that nursing students of CJ hospitals are in high demand by many hospitals outside the country and many nurses have even. He appealed to the doctors and nurses to work earnestly to maintain the physician-patient trust. He maintained that a medical profession can be wonders if it's trusted by the people. Controller of Examination of Manipur University, A. Narayan, Secretary of CJ Foundation, C.H. Dhananjoy, and many people attended the event.
CJ Academy of Nursing da ming chalaga nursing profession da changi base masi yamna laibak phobane moigi clinical teaching aduga theoretical teaching seista foundation si yamna link na lay moina thengnagodriba department si ayamba department si CJ hospital su leire hospital yaudana nursing college toba dum yaudaba nate sigidi masagi own hospital si da changaga magi learning si open book ni haidare maduna moida insight si yamna hena khangba yam hena nungaiba operation ki hairo of intensive care unit ki hairo ajikti yamna chawba challenge la is ai technology si hengalapui matungina disease pattern si ju hongdore mahoksa infectious disease do hojikti sahi ga mari lainaba non communicable diseases hai heart ki accident trauma ki adegi diabetes ki tonga tonga ba issue mayam si gi angang pikna tha sudana pokpa gi challenges si mayam si gi challenges mayam si anong no sum hapkal ai hai tare.
The Assam Cabinet has decided to request the centre to make Assamese as the state language of the state forever, excluding in BT80. Barak Valley and Hill districts. Speaking to media after the cabinet meeting at Guwahati, Senior Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma said the Assam government would request the centre to make Assamese as the state language according to Article 345 of the Indian Constitution. He asserted that Assamese language is commonly spoken in the Bodo Traditional Autonomous District Council (BTDC), Barak Valley and Hill districts. He maintained that the state cabinet also decided to bring a new bill in the next assembly session, securing the land rights for the indigenous people. Bihar Deputy Chief Minister and convener of a group of ministers on the IGST, Sushil Kumar Modi, declares that the GST Council has decided to consider changes in rates once a year and not in each and every meeting. Sushil Kumar Modi declares the same during the annual convention of a Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, on the theme India roadmap to a $5 trillion economy at New Delhi yesterday. He said there is no possibilities of a change in the GST rates till revenue collections stabilized at the moment. Sushil Modi said any change in the slab and tax rates hike or cut in the near future is unlikely. He asserted no state or the center is ready to raise tax rates. Now the sports news. Goa Football Club will lock horns with Orissa Football Club in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Goa's Fatodra Stadium tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Hyderabad GMC Balayogi Athletic Stadium, Hyderabad Football Club and ATK resulted in a 2-2 draw. For Hyderabad Football Club, Bobo netted 2 goals at 39th minute and 85th minute, and for ATK, Roy Krishna netted 2 goals at the 15th and 90th minute of the match. The 13th Hero I League match between the Trau and Real Kashmir is underway at Kumalam Park main stadium since 2 this evening. In yesterday's league match played at Chennai's Nehru Stadium, Chennai's City and Neroka Football Club resulted in 2-2 draw. For Chennai City, Katsumi Yusa and Mashur Sarif Thangakatan score 1 goal each at 26th and 31st minute of the match. For Neroka Football Clubs, Kaimin Thang, Lungdimd and Baubakar accord 1 goal each at 45th plus 3 and 65th minute of the match. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Commissioner M. Hare Krishna stresses on the need for a budget alert to boost organic packaging in the state. And Assam State Cabinet approves Assamese and state language, urges the centre to make Assamese as state language of Assam.